Like Rumi says, with passion pray, with passion make love, with passion eat and drink and dance and play. Why look like a dead fish in this ocean of God? A traditional initiation in Tantra is like a door which is open to the deepest realm of your being. Tantra says that Shiva, pure consciousness, creates the entire world with the divine wisdom. And this divine wisdom has 10 aspects, 10 rays of consciousness. And these are eternity, compassion, pure love, knowledge, pure action, blissful void, sacrifice, fascination, harmony, and splendor. And for each of these aspects, Tantra has initiations and techniques and special sadhana. Sadhana is spiritual practice. In this workshop you will have the initiation in Tripura Bhairavi, which is the wisdom of pure action and perfect concentration. She is also perseverance and the fire of aspiration. By awakening Tripura Bhairavi's wisdom in yourself, you will be able to act with your entire being, with your entire spiritual heart. In this way, your life will be like a celebration of the Supreme Self. So you will live a life full of passion and joy.